The timeline that they gave me, they've hit the timeline every time. When I asked their crew foreman, how long it was going to take him, he said they'd be through that day. So they actually took the old roof off and installed the new roof the same day, and everything was cleaned up. It looked like they'd never been here. I never had to talk to my insurance company but one time. That was a relief, so I give them 5 stars.
Eddie's a friend, and I follow him on social media, and he was posting stuff about complete exteriors. And I asked him actually about the rain chains, because I had seen them, and I just wanted something kind of prettier, a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Even though they're the professionals, they take your thoughts into consideration too. Just appreciate their friendliness and their timeliness. And then I think there's the gutter job itself looks really good and clean.
Very organized, very seamless. They kept me informed every single step of the way. They told me exactly what to do and how the process would go. And they kept our property clean. They made sure that there was no debris left, and what was left, they cleaned up our entire yard. They were so kind and so nice the whole way through. They really made it look very nice. Recommend Complete Exteriors to anybody.